Hello everyone, I'm Ruvinda Shaluka, software engineering undergraduate from Institute of Software Engineering. This video is about a project of mine which I built for my web technology module. So let's take a look at my personal portfolio. First of all, let's take a look at how I build my code. So as you can see, I use an index file to write all my HTML code, and then there are few CSS files that I build for my sections, and each section has its own CSS file, and I use few JavaScript files for some sections that I needed before. So let's take a look at what my portfolio looks like. So here is my portfolio. As you can see, I built a portfolio just look like a coding style portfolio. First of all, my hero section I want to address as hello world, because every developer's first statement is print hello world or system out print hello world. So in my hero section, you can see a little bit of a code that I wrote, and on the right margin you can see my navigation bar, and here is a little bit animation that look like a sonar. So let's move on to the next section. Next section is about who I am. This section is about me, a little bit about me. On the left side you can see a little bit animation about my GitHub and reports in the GitHub. You can visit my GitHub through this button, and on the right side you can see a little bit of a code that I wrote myself, and my image. Then when you hover over, you can see a code style lines that I address as name, status, skills, and etc. I create a few methods, introduce and show learning path. This is a Java style code, and as you can see, also there are Python and JavaScript styles codes. When you switch over, you can see JavaScript, Python style codes coding itself on this tab. Then you can move on to JavaScript style, and you can see the same as the other three tabs. Let's move on to my next section. In this section you can see my works. In this section I put my all projects that I built until now. First of all, my first project that I built for a business called Dream Baby Care Products. It's a desktop application. You can visit. If you want a code or source code, you can visit on my GitHub, and then you can see a light driving school project that I use ORM for this project. And as you scroll down, you can see few projects that I built. This is my portfolio project, and this is a boarding poll that I build using socket programming. This is also a socket programming app that I built for weather changes, that you can see real-time weather changes using this app. And this is a chat app that I build using socket programming and Java backend. And that's it. That's it for now for project section. Let's move on to the next. In my education section, you can see a little bit about what I'm doing now. And on the right side, you can see the certificate section that I have. So this is a preview of my certificate, which I earned from the HackerRank, which I accomplished for Java Basics. So you can go to next and view my other certificates. So let's move on to my next section. So here are the services that I provide for now. You can see the details by switching tabs, and here are the skills that I mastered right now, which I plan to add few skills to this section by learning and mastering those. And then you can see my gallery. There are a few moments that I captured throughout my life. You can see few frames of those moments. And finally, my contact section. This section is for contacting me. If you have an exciting project that you need my help with, email me or contact me via instant message. So finally, in the footer, you can connect me with my social medias, GitHub and WhatsApp. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you need to know anything more, please contact me via instant message or email. So thank you. Adios, guys.